everyone, today's a beautiful Friday and we're going to be heading out to Rock Falls Raceway to do some testing on some of our cars. It's been a very long off season, so we're excited to get out there and make a couple passes. You won't be seeing Kaylin in this video today because she is in Texas this week, so it's just the boys and Vanessa. Now that we've made it out here, we're going to have to unload all of our cars and get stuff ready to race. So enjoy this little montage of us unloading our cars. Yeah, I gotcha, no worries. Oh god.
Now you probably got gas in your hands.
Just a little, we're good. Heck yeah. Oh, you guys are robbing my cooler? Whoa, I didn't even give you consent.
Yeah, we're gonna start to pack the cooler. Yeah.
We got a water, a zero. You want a zero? You want a zero?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, I can throw it too. Nice. We've had a lot of updates this off-season, with one of the biggest ones being that we switched all the cars from alcohol to race gas. We're going to be testing out today if we really want to keep the race gas in there or if we want to switch back to alcohol, but I guess we'll see. This is AJ's car right here. We got everything all freshened up with theirs. We got Kaylin's car here. We got this one all freshened up as well. We do still need to change out the battery in it, so we'll be doing that a little bit later. Then we got the good old S10. Same as all the other ones, we got it gone through by our engine guy. We're really excited to get this one back out and making some more passes on it. Then we got Anthony and Vanessa's dragster here. This has the biggest change of them all with a whole new engine. We sold their last engine, and now we have the new Par racing engine, which is great. This thing looks like a beast. Car Racing Engines is out of South Carolina in Spartanburg. Before we get to make a pass, we gotta change a battery in Kalen's car really quick, so let's do that. Zoop. Alright, now that that's all done, let's go get our wristbands and our pit passes for this weekend. So we're driving by here, I get a little distracted with this beautiful car here.
Lawn dart.
Wow. Then I take a little peek ski in here.
Amazon.
Here's a lady handing out our wristbands. We waited in line for a long time. I mean, a long time. And there was no AC, but, you know, it's okay. If you look really close here, you can see that AJ actually got a Milky Way as well that he bought. And he didn't even share any of it with any of us. Messed up. Alright, then we're on our way back home. I definitely thought these wristbands were going to go flying. We did hit some rough ground over here. In the staging lanes here, we noticed that they have some really tiny grandstands.
We're talking about big those bleachers already. They're pretty massive, see them?
Yeah.
Big bleacher. Probably looked big when they went to buy them. Guy had them in his garage. Get his tape measure up.
Oh, those ones. I thought you were talking about the ones in the back.
Yeah.
You said chicken or turkey? Good. Turkey, chicken. Chicken or turkey? Chicken. Chicken or turkey? Nice. Chicken or turkey? Chicken. This one's for me.
All in all, today was a pretty beautiful day, but we do have a lot more work we need to get done before we're ready to race. So we're hoping to get out maybe Memorial Day weekend, but we'll see. It might be a 4th of July weekend type thing, but thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. It's been real. Adam out. By the way, I'm Adam. I'm the camera guy now.